Oh, say, okay, so an update from Playa Ballena on the famous September 11th. Just a walkthrough for today's edition of the project update. Our lofts, our wall preparation, our lofts were our big mission for this last session. Now what we have here, this is, the process in the walls is we put an elastomeric. You can see that white up there. We put an elastomeric to fill any of the open joints. And then over top of that we put a flexible mortar and a fine drywall tape, 4-inch drywall tape in there that Plyson makes this mortar, and then we put 2 coats of stucco and mesh over top of that. So we'll see that as we move along. Here, this is our loft floor, and so this is all what we call here cedro. So this is all pre-finished, ready to waiting for the floor to go in. Same loft continues over to here. Now, here you can see this is the elastomerica that's in the joints, and then this is the mesh, heavy mesh that goes over top. And another, we were just doing this one today, so this has got one coat. This is 1 coat on it. You see the corners are still drying there, and finish coat has been put. This is our wheelchair accessible bathroom with the same lofts set up in it, and pretty much all of the outdoor face. The walls have been done. This is, let me see, now we're moving out here. You see areas that we haven't done yet, but here's more of the elastomeric installed, and well, another loft is completed here. So this will be a ladder that gets set into the wall here, and with grabs extending out. So that will be a mission on the next trip. Here's the other bathroom with the floor framework installed, floor/ceiling on it. And this is our first rafters. I just brought these in this afternoon. This is our first taste of rafters. This is only, I don't know if it's even 10%. Oh yeah, no, I guess it's probably about 20% of the rafters that have to go in for this sizable chunk of roof. So we'll be starting to pre-finish those. Next we can try not to transport finished. Anyway, here's the corner. So here's the heavy mesh that goes in. So we get 2 coats of stucco on that, and then a third finish coat for the interior, and the outside is the color coat of stucco as your third one. But anyways, that is a wrap. So yeah, all our walls are basically finished. Well, basically ready to start receiving rafters, which can't happen soon enough now that we have heavy rainy season. Well, actually, it's been better than August actually, but anyways, that is about it for this session's walkthrough. Yeah. Well, cloudy afternoon here, but no rain down on the site here today.